Forgiveness is like a precious gift we can give to ourselves and others. It's about being kind and understanding to one another, just as God shows kindness and compassion to us. The Bible tells us in Ephesians 4:32 to forgive each other, just as God forgave us through Jesus. In this journey, we'll explore the amazing power of forgiveness. We'll see how it can mend our hurts, bring peace to our hearts, and make our relationships stronger. Let's learn together how forgiveness sets us free and brings us closer to the love of God. Ephesians 4:32. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you. The verse begins with a call to kindness. As followers of Christ, we are encouraged to display genuine care, gentleness, and generosity in our dealings with others. Kindness fosters an atmosphere of understanding and empathy, making it easier for forgiveness to take root. Alongside kindness, compassion plays a pivotal role in this verse. Compassion goes beyond merely being nice to others. It involves putting ourselves in their shoes, feeling their pain, and responding with empathy and mercy. When we have compassion for others, it becomes easier to forgive them, recognizing that we too are imperfect and in need of forgiveness. The core message of this verse is about forgiveness. Christians are called to forgive one another, acknowledging that we all make mistakes and fall short. By forgiving each other, we break the chains of resentment and bitterness, fostering reconciliation and healing in our relationships. The ultimate model of forgiveness is found in God's forgiveness through Christ. God's forgiveness is offered freely and abundantly to all who seek it with a repentant heart. We are reminded that our own forgiveness is rooted in Christ's sacrifice on the cross. Therefore, we should extend the same grace and forgiveness to others that God has shown to us. Ephesians 4:32 teaches us the importance of cultivating a heart of forgiveness, which flows from kindness and compassion. The verse emphasizes that forgiveness is not optional for Christians. It is a fundamental aspect of living in Christ's example. Just as God's forgiveness is boundless and unconditional, we are called to forgive others generously, regardless of the depth or frequency of their offenses. Forgiveness is an essential ingredient in building and maintaining healthy relationships within the Christian community. Overall, Ephesians 4:32 serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative power of forgiveness in our lives. It encourages us to extend grace and mercy to others, just as we have received it from God through Christ. By embracing forgiveness, we pave the way for healing, reconciliation, and the demonstration of Christ's love to the world around us. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational videos. God bless you.